What I wish I knew about Caption instead of struggling with viewer engagement. Caption can be a game changer. Caption application are your new best friend in boosting video engagement. These tools let you import video files from MP4s to MOVs with ease. Imagine auto-transcription doing the heavy lifting for you. Speech recognition tech creates a draft transcript, saving you precious time. You just edit for accuracy. Want more control? Manually input captions and sync them with your video by setting precise start and end times. It's as easy as typing. Editing tools? They've got you covered. Adjust text, timing and style. Change fonts, colors, sizes and positions. Split, merge and retime captions to keep everything in sync. Need subtitles in multiple languages? No problem. Input translated text, sync it up and you're good to go. When you're done, export your captions in formats like SRT or VTT or embed them directly into your video, upload to platforms like YouTube or Vimeo and watch your engagement soar. Quality assurance features like spell check, grammar check and playback preview ensure your captions are spot on. Ready to make your videos accessible and engaging? Let's get captioning.